Hi there, it's Nesbitt here. In this video, I want to speak to you about adding tracking pixels to your website with the PowerLead system. Now, if you do not know what tracking pixels are, they are very important for any marketer to track the whereabouts of their traffic. So, for example, if you are getting opt-ins or leads to your capture pages, you want to know which traffic source is providing those leads. It helps you to control the amount of money that you are spending. So for example, if you have 3 traffic sources that you are spending money on, A, B, and C, and A and B are not getting you as many leads as traffic source C, then the tracking pixels is going to help you identify where there is a lack of leads, and you can cut out that traffic source and therefore save you some money. So that's why it is important to set up tracking pixels and to make sure that you are always tracking your traffic, because if you don't know where your leads are coming from, then you could potentially be losing money. So in this video, I'm going to show you how to set up your tracking pixels using ClickMagick. And if you are also using Facebook ads to promote the PowerLead system, or to promote any business where you're using the PowerLead system as your capture page, then you can also watch this video, because I will show you how to set up the tracking pixels, the Facebook tracking pixels on your capture page or your PowerLead system websites. So the first thing to do, I'm going to show you how to use ClickMagick to set up your tracking pixel. Now this is my ClickMagick account, and I am going to create a new link. So I need to create a new link for every traffic source that I am going to promote my capture page to. So let's say, for example, I am going to promote this capture page on a traffic source A. So I'll enter the link name there. And by the way, if you do not use ClickMagick, ClickMagick is a reputable tracking link application that I would always recommend that you use. In the description box below, I will provide my link to you for ClickMagick, where you can get a 14-day free trial. So feel free to check it out and start using tracking links for your business. So as I said, when you log into ClickMagick, you will come to links and then create a new link. So as a demonstration, I'm going to name my link traffic source A, and I'm going to add my primary URL. Now the web page that I want to promote is going to be, I'm back in my PowerLead system back office, and the web page that I want to promote is, I go to websites, web pages, my web pages, and this is where all my web pages are stored. So the web page that I want to be tracked completely is this one here, and I'm just going to get the link for that website. So I'm going to test link, and this is the link that I want. So I'm just going to copy this link, and I'm going to come back to ClickMagick, and I'm going to add that link here. So what ClickMagick is doing is it's going to cloak this link, so the visitor will not see this link. The link that they will see, it will be this one. I'm not going to add anything here, but if you want to easily identify your links, you can by all means add your own description here. It just needs to be I believe it's 4 to 32 characters. So I'm going to leave that blank because ClickMagick is going to populate that for me. I'm going to leave this as no, just track and redirect the URL. So what will happen is when the visitor clicks on this link, ClickMagick is going to redirect it to this. And then I click on, well actually I'm going to click on show advanced settings, because ClickMagick does not recognize any PowerLead system links as being valid. I want to skip the URL verification and then create link. Now with the ClickMagick, you need to get a custom domain set up. I'm not going to show you how to do that in this video. I'm going to assume that you know how to set up a custom domain, but if you don't, you can always get help here in the help section by just clicking on help and go into the FAQs And what you want to type is, oh, here it is, custom tracking domains. So ClickMagick will tell you how to set up a custom domain with any one of these domain providers. Okay, so I'm not going to do that in this video. The videos and guides are there in ClickMagick already. So I'm going to go back to the link that I just created. I named it Traffic Source A. So I'm going to find that link now. Traffic source. I'm just going to find that link. Okay, so this is where it is. And let's see the link that ClickMagick gave to us. Okay, so this is the link that ClickMagick gave to us, and this is the link that I am going to be sending all my traffic to. I'm not going to be sending the traffic to this link because this has no tracking attached to it. I'm going to be sending traffic to this link because this is where I want ClickMagick to track the progress of my visitors through my funnel. So the next thing you want to do is you want to start adding the pixels to your web page. And to add the pixels, you will go to the gear bar and click on Track Conversions. Now, the PowerLead system does not allow you to track sales. So there is no way that you can add a sales pixel to the PowerLead system, at least not that I'm aware of. So the only thing really that you can track is any opt-ins, and you can also track button clicks with the PowerLead system. Okay, this tutorial is just going to show you how to add a basic tracking pixel to track your opt-ins. If you want to track button clicks, ClickMagick has tutorials to show you how to track button clicks. It's a little bit more advanced, but for the purposes of this video, I will only be showing you how to track your opt-ins. So you want to know how many people has opted into your capture page, and then that will be able to help you determine whether your capture page needs more work, whether it needs to be improved, whether the traffic source is any good. Okay, now to start tracking your opt-ins or your leads conversion, what you will do is you will scroll down and you would use the action tracking pixel. Okay, there's nothing that you need to change here, but all you need to do is copy this action tracking pixel, copy. Okay, and you will note from let's see, just a minute. I'm just going to click on this help because it tells you exactly where you need to place the pixel. And I believe it's in the body section. I'm just going to click on this link because I want to know where does ClickMagick tell me to put the tracking pixel, because there is here it is. You must add the tracking codes to the body section of your web pages anywhere between the opening and closing tags. They say that it will not work if added to the head section of the page. So I'm going to add it to the body section. So what I will do now is I'll come back to my web page on the PowerLead system. I'm going to edit it. And then I'm just going to edit text. So this is all that you need to do. So just go to the web page and just edit and then edit text. So I want to go to the editor of the PowerLead system. Okay, now what I want to do is I want to go to the source code, which is here. So I'm going to go to the source code and I'm actually going to what I'm going to do is I'm going to it's not actually on this page. I do apologize. It's not on this page that I want to add that pixel. The reason why I don't want to add that pixel is because I am tracking opt-ins. So therefore, I need to put the pixel on the page that comes after this. Okay, so when somebody opts in, the next page is where the pixel is going to fire, and then that's going to tell ClickMagick that the pixel has been fired. So the page that comes after this one is my bridge page. So I'm just going to repeat that again for you. In the beginning, I said you need to add your pixel to the capture page. That is not the case. You want to add the pixel to the second page that comes after your capture page. Now, if, for example, you have the capture page and the capture page takes the lead directly to a sales page, which you do not have access to edit that sales page, then you will need to actually add the pixel to the button of your capture page. And ClickMagick shows you how to do that. That is a bit more advanced and requires a lot more explanation, but in this video I only want to show you how to add the tracking pixel if you have a page after the capture page that you can edit. One way to fix that is if you do not want to add a pixel to the button, you can simply add a bridge page or a pre-sale page between the capture page and the sales page, okay, like I have done. So after my lead page, my lead capture page, I have added a bridge page, and that's this one here, BP standing for bridge page. So I'm going to edit that, and that is where I'm going to put the pixel. So when the person enters their email address and opts in, the pixel is going to fire once the bridge page has loaded. So again, I click on edit text. And once I've reached to the editor, I am going to click on source. And then ClickMagick said to paste the tracking pixel in the body tags anywhere between the body tags. So I am going to do that now. So I'm going to search for body, which is there, so I can place the pixel here. So I'm just going to enter one, enter again, go back up, and control paste. Okay, so that's where I'm entering my pixel. And I'm going to close the source, and I'm going to save it. Okay, so it's going to move on to the next page. You must make sure that it is saved. Okay, so you must make sure that it is saved, and that's it. That's where you want to add that action pixel. Now, if you are with Facebook and you want to track any people who are landing on your website, so for example, you may set up a custom audience and you want to track all people who are landing on your website, so you can then use that custom audience for retargeting purposes. What you want to do is you get into your back office for Facebook, where your advertising account for Facebook, you want to click on set up pixel and then copy and paste the code. And you want to install the base pixel. So the base pixel is going to be this one here. So you copy to clipboard, and Facebook says that you paste the base pixel code at the bottom of the header section just above the closing head tag. So we come back to the PowerLead system, and the tracking pixel for Facebook is the place where you want to track all your page views. So basically, you are telling Facebook that you want to track everyone who lands on a particular website. So you want to put this tracking pixel on every page that you want to track. So that will be every page of your funnel. So I'm going to start with the landing page because I want to test the time somebody hits my my landing page with the Facebook tracking pixel. With the Click Magic tracking pixel, you will know every time someone lands on your landing page with the tracking link. So the difference between the Facebook tracking pixel and the Click Magic tracking link is that on the landing page, the Click Magic is going to track who actually landed on your landing page with the tracking link. With Facebook, the Facebook pixel, the base pixel, is going to track everybody who landed on your landing page. So to add the Facebook tracking pixel, we will go to the edit text settings of the landing page. And we go to source. So this is the landing page. Okay, this is my landing page. We go to source. And we are placing it between the head and head tag just above the closing head tag. So I'm going to Control F and search for head. So here it is. So I'm going to enter down, put my cursor there, and this is where I'm going to be pasting the Facebook pixel. Okay, that's it. You don't want to change anything on there. And I'm just going to close this. And I'm going to save changes and move to the next step, and that's it. Okay, now you want to put the pixel on every page of the funnel. So the next page I'm going to do that to is on the bridge page, which is the second page after my landing page. And that's this page here. So I go to edit. And edit text. And then I'm going to go to source. I'm going to Control F and search for the end head tag, which is there. I'm going to tab down twice, put my cursor there, and paste the pixel. Okay, so that's what you're going to do. You're going to just repeat that for every single page within your funnel. Now, if you want to track, for example, a particular event with a Facebook pixel code, let's say you want to track a lead. Okay, so someone opts in and you want Facebook to track which specific ad provided that lead. Then what you want to do is install the event code. And the event code you want, you go to basic, and the event code that you want is lead. And you're simply going to copy that, and this event code goes just under, let's say, I believe it just goes under the closing head tag. So I'm looking for where Facebook says to add the event code. Here it is. So the event code should be placed just below the head tag. Okay, so you can see how it looks here. Okay, so it's just below the head tag. So you want to put this on the second page after the person has opted in. Okay, which is my bridge page. So the second page after the capture page, that is where you want to put the lead event code to track. So when this page loads, it's going to send a message to Facebook that the pixel has loaded, and that is a lead. So this is the second page after my capture page. I'm just going to click on source, and it goes just under the closing head tag. So I'm going to Control F find the end head tag, and I'm going to put it just under. So tab, and I'm just going to put it just under the closing head tag. So I'm going to press paste. All right, just like that. Okay. Now you want to make sure that any event code is on the same page as the base pixel. So the base pixel goes on every page within your funnel, and the event code goes on the specific pages that you want to track. So if you want to track the lead, it's going to go after the capture page. The event code goes on the page after the capture page. If you want to track a sale, unfortunately with the Power Lead system, it does not allow you to place tracking pixels on their thank you pages. So that's the only difficulty. But I'm just going to save this. But when there is a sale, what will happen with the Power Lead system is that you will get an email saying that someone became a gold member or someone became a diamond member, and you will have their email address, and you can always go back into the Power Lead system contact manager and match everything up to see where they came from. It's not ideal, unfortunately. But the only things that you can really track with the Power Lead system here is your opt-ins, your leads, and you can do the same with the Click Magic as well. And if, for example, you want to track if someone does indeed go onto the sales page with Click Magic, you can add a tracking pixel to the button that leads onto the sales page. But that's a little bit more advanced, and you can always find help with that in the Click Magic FAQs. Okay, so that's all for now. I hope that helped you to understand where to place your tracking pixel within the Power Lead system. If you have any questions, my contact details are below. You can always reach out to me. And if you want to join me in the Power Lead system, you can use it as your capture page creator and autoresponder all in one. Then the link is in the description box below. You can also use it to make money online, and I will show you exactly how to do that. Links in the description box below. Thank you very much for watching my video, and I'll see you in the next one.